Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a yummy, frozen treat that comes in lots of flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Did you know? Ice cream was first made a long time ago in China, and today it's enjoyed all around the world. I for iguana. An iguana is a colorful reptile that loves to sunbathe. Did you know? Iguanas can change their color a little bit to blend into their surroundings and stay safe. I for ice cube. Ice cubes are simply frozen water that keeps your drink cool. Did you know? When water freezes to make ice cubes, it gets a little bigger than before. I for ice skates. Ice skates have sharp metal blades attached to shoes so you can glide on ice. Did you know? People use ice skates to dance and play games on frozen ponds and rinks in the winter. I for igloo. An igloo is a house made of blocks of snow, built by people who live in very cold places. Did you know? Even though igloos are made of snow, they can keep people warm inside during the cold Arctic winter. What's your favorite I word? Let's trace the uppercase I. First, place your finger on the number 1 and move your finger down the dotted line. Next, place your finger on number 2 and move your finger across the dotted line. Finally, place your finger on number 3 and move your finger across the dotted line.
Hooray! Yay!
You can pause the video and practice as many times as you like. Parents use this guide to help teach your child to write the uppercase I with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.